What's up everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video we are going to be doing 3 makeup looks based off of Monster High characters. So Monster High was literally a staple in my childhood. I was definitely a Monster High girly growing up. I had so many of the dolls, and I actually still have some of my dolls. They're missing a couple limbs and their hair is all matted, but I still have some of the dolls. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start off with the first look. So if you aren't familiar with Monster High, let me just explain it to you. So in July 2010, Mattel, aka the people who made Barbie, came out with Monster High, and it is just these teenage monster girls that attend Monster High, which is a school for all monsters. Monster High's whole motto is be unique, be yourself, be a monster, and their entire brand is basically just being yourself and letting your freak frags fly. It is such a good message, and I loved all the movies growing up. It's so special to me, and I feel like this entire video is just gonna be me fangirling. Like, guys, please ignore all that. I love Monster High so much, and this video was so fun to make. Alright everybody, so now my face is all powdered and we are ready for some eyeshadow. So the very first look we are going to be doing today is going to be inspired by Claudine Wolf. She is the daughter of a werewolf in Monster High. She does wear purple eyeshadow and a lot of her wardrobe is purple. I'm going to be using this ColourPop All Amethyst palette because it has some very pretty purples right here. So for Claudine's makeup look, I basically decided to do a cut crease with the eyeshadow, which is where you put some of the darker color on top like so, and then you cut into your crease with a lighter shade of concealer like I did here, and then after that you're gonna go in with that lighter shade of eyeshadow, and I use this really pretty shimmery purple, and the result, guys, is just chef's kiss. This is so cute. Alright everybody, here is the Claudine Wolf inspired makeup look with the purple cut crease, and I just decided to do a nude lip with this. The next Monster High character I'll be doing a makeup look inspired by is Draculaura. She is the daughter of Dracula. Her entire color scheme is pink, so you guys know we have to do some bright pink eyeshadow. I'm going to be using colors from this By the Rose palette. Look at all the colors in this. I'm thinking about using this pinky color. So here, guys, you can see me using that pinky color I was talking about, but after that I use this even brighter pink from my Meredith Duxbury palette, and this really just makes this look pop. It is so bright and so pigmented. Alright guys, here is the Draculaura makeup look that I have done, but guys, we are not done yet because Draculaura actually has a little heart birthmark on her cheek, so I'm going to try and draw that with some eyeliner pen. That's a wonky looking heart, but it'll have to do for now. Let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to be doing Frankie Stein, and Frankie is the daughter of Frankenstein. I'm going to be using this Meredith Duxbury palette to do the eye look for Frankie. Let's just go ahead and do the eye look and see how this turns out, guys. So guys, you may be wondering why I'm using green eyeshadow. Out of all the amazing colors out there, I'm using green. But basically, guys, I'm using green eyeshadow because Frankie actually has 2 different color eyes. One of her eyes is green and the other one is blue. So I want to kind of mimic that with the eyeshadow because Frankie's actual eyeshadow color is purple, and I already did purple eyeshadow in this video for Claudine, so I didn't want to repeat that again. There is one thing I want to add to this look. So Frankie is a Frankenstein, and you know, electricity, so I want to draw a little lightning bolt. And here is the Frankie makeup look. And now all of our Monster High makeup looks are done today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really did enjoy this video. It was so much fun. Let me know if you guys want me to do any sort of other video like this, and comment down below your favorite Monster High character and your favorite Monster High movie. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.